start.
My name is Ruchi Dharamraj. Our topic name is Condition of Potholes on the Roads. We chose this topic because in our locality, a lot of problems faced by pedestrians due to potholes. First thing that when potholes covered with stagnant water makes vehicles to run slowly. When vehicles drive through it, which cause to split stagnant water on the pedestrian. While driving the motorcycle, pedestrian bounce on pothole. Sometimes pedestrians fell off motorcycle after hitting the pothole. All this causes major injuries. Unknowingly, we all are meeting up with this problem due to potholes on the road. But everyone is ignoring this topic. As we are the citizen of a city, we should go against the problem. Due to this problem, major issues can lead in our city. This is the Hindu newspaper article. Due to pothole accidents, the number of pedestrians killed has increased between 2014 and 2018. Like number of road accidents, number of person injured in accidents, hit and run accidents, vehicle to pedestrian accidents, etc. Content. These are the points we cover to collect our data. Research question. For research question, what is the condition of roads in rainy season from Elphinstone to Ambedkar Road? Hypothesis: 80% of potholes are increased from Elphinstone to Ambedkar Road because BMC is not maintaining the road in monsoon season. Methods: first, we selected the topic of potholes on the road. We choose the area where we found more number of potholes. Then we selected Elphinstone Road, Prabhadevi Station and Ambedkar Road. We plan to go once in a month from August to November 19 and keep the specific distance of 1.5 kilometers between each group. Before collecting the data, we created worksheet to summarize the data. Then we made 3 groups of 3 children in each. 2 children measured the biggest and smallest pothole in horizontally and vertically with measurement tape. And third child note down the collected data by them. Afterwards, we took the interviews of surrounding pedestrians and shop owners. We analyzed the collected data and made conclusion. Observation. Our survey topic is potholes on the road. Our research question is, what are the reasons that potholes are increasing from Elphinstone to Ambedkar Road? Hence, we started our survey and we meet a private vendor in between Elphinstone to Ambedkar Road. They said that they have been seeing the same bad condition with potholes on the road in every year in monsoon. All this causes major injuries. All this because of BMC people are not repairing the roads in monsoon. Due to this negligence, potholes are created on the road and number of potholes are increasing. This is example of worksheet to record interview responses. What are the major issues that leads to potholes? Heavy loads of vehicles create potholes, traffic gets jammed, bikes stuck in the potholes, people fall down, illness spread, water collect in the pothole, accident occurs, etc. These are the picture of Ambedkar Road, Prabhadevi Road and Elphinstone Road from where we collected the data. We selected Elphinstone Road, Prabhadevi Station and Ambedkar Road and survey from month of August to November 2019. We measured the biggest and smallest pothole in horizontally and vertically from specific distance of 1.5 kilometers between each group. And also we found number of potholes in each area. This is the bar graph of biggest pothole at Ambedkar Road. Left hand side, number of potholes. In August month, we went at the Ambedkar Road, so we found 14 potholes. In September, October and November month, we went again on same place, so the number of potholes was increased by 24 potholes. Right hand side, size of pothole. In August month, we choose biggest pothole and measure the length and breadth of that biggest pothole. So we found The length was 39 centimeter and the breadth was 49 centimeter. In September, October and November month, we went again on same place and we found that the length and breadth was increased by 3 times of same biggest pothole. This is the bar graph of smallest pothole at Ambedkar Road. Right hand side, size of pothole. In August month, we choose smallest pothole and measure the length and breadth of that smallest pothole. So we found the length was 1.6 centimeter and the breadth was 6 centimeter. In September, October and November month, we went again on same place and we found that the length and breadth was increased by nearest 4 times of same smallest pothole. Also in Elphiston Road, Prabhadevi Road, we found the same result of increasement of pothole and their size as per our survey. From Ambedkar Road area, Prabhadevi Station area and Elphiston Road area, we collected this accurate data of potholes on the road. Major findings. In our survey, we came to know that BMC people are not filling the pothole in monsoon season every year. And due to that, the school children, vendors and pedestrians walking on the road are suffer from potholes. Like dirty water splits on them, walkers slip down, some serious accident happen, etc. Therefore, BMC should use high quality of material to fill up the pothole so it will stay longer period and pedestrians will not suffer from it. We believe that our research is significant. It is useful for community as well as city also. This problem is related to our condition of maximum roads in Mumbai, which is in bad condition in monsoon. One step can take to carry out awareness about spreading of infectious disease because of stagnant water in potholes. And due to potholes, it can cause major injuries and major accident issues can lead in our city. Our government should take proper action on BMC and concerned department to maintain all roads in monsoon and after monsoon to keep them in better condition, which is very important to avoid all accidents related to it. Our hypothesis proved right. Reflection. Before starting the survey, we were very scared and embarrassed to collect the data. But as soon as we started to take the interviews from the pedestrians, so some were cooperating with us and some were not cooperating us. Then though, we not stop to take the interviews of shopkeepers and pedestrians to success our survey. This question for you. All this because of BMC people are not repairing the roads in monsoon and due to this negligence, potholes are created on the road and number of potholes are increasing or who is the responsible for forming the potholes on the road? Thank you.
Ma'am, do you want to see continuation before we are not able to see the slides now? May I show again?
No, I think it's okay. You can just run through the slides while we take questions. Panelists? Any questions from our panelists?
May I ask?
Of course.
Yes.
Okay. I'm happy that you chose this topic, but I find that it is not very clearly defined because at one level, you're talking about the impact of the potholes on health and accidents and lives and other things. And on the other hand, it is very well, nobody else can fill the potholes and the BMC. Obviously, if there are potholes, then BMC has to be responsible for it. It is the job of the BMC. So when that's not a great hypothesis to prove actually, because it's the thing. So did you collect the samples where they have filled up the potholes? Did you do any analysis of the way, the quality of work that is being done by PMC? is it because of the substandard work of BMC that the potholes keep increasing in size over the year, and then that whole cycle repeats again and again? So just to say that BMC is responsible for the potholes doesn't make sense. Or it should have been that, what is the damage caused by the potholes to the people who are using the road, that particular road or that particular stretch. So somehow I feel your hypothesis, and because even in your presentation you said what leads to potholes, and then you say potholes cause infection, potholes cause accident, loss of life. So there is some confusion in your presentation and also in your framing of the question, research question. Would you like to respond to that?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
No, I think
can't.
Dr. Sharda, it's okay. Madhvi ma'am, it's just something to ponder over. I think it's really good feedback that Dr. Sharda has given. Madhvi ma'am, so maybe you can reflect on this with your students. You can stop your screen sharing. Maybe you can reflect on this with your students after the conference is over, what she said. Because it wasn't really a question, it was more feedback to think through more clearly about the research question and the hypothesis. Does that make sense, students and Madhvi ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank
I
you,
think
Dr. Sharda.
just one. I think I did have a question. I think even my fellow panelist was asking the question that in your research, did you come across instances of the BMC having repaired the potholes and yet the potholes increasing, or did you, that was, I think, the question. So in your research, did you identify instances where the BMC was repairing potholes and yet the number of potholes was increasing?
Yeah, may I give answer?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Sir, means the children choose this topic because they said ki every year we are facing this problem. So where they live, so they means potholes are more. So they face the pedestrian, those walk, accident happens. So their own experience, they said, teacher, we want to choose this topic to present front of everyone, so everyone can think about it. So for that they have chosen, and they measure in each area, each month, August, September, and October, November. They measure the length and breadth of biggest and smallest pothole. So they see that every month the portal has increased, the area of the portal has increased. That come up with, and they asked to pedestrian. So they said ki means every year we are seeing the same condition of potholes. Before monsoon, the the BMC are not filling that potholes. If they filled again after 2-3 months, again the potholes get created. They said that. This is the observation children took.
Have they noticed that BMC was repairing sometime, like, when they went for data collection, or when they lived there, have they seen that BMC was repairing?
Yeah, means Ganpati.
Okay.
That couple of days, they see the same condition. Again, the portals get created.
Okay.